Hi guys, how are you all? Hope you all are doing awesome. If this is your first time here, I am MohanShashank Reddy from English World. I do some educational videos, live sessions on efficiency tests on mixed grammar, some traveling vlogs and some tutorials. So make sure to subscribe the channel and hit the bell to get new notifications. I am doing a new tutorial series for you. Yes, this is a tutorial series on KineMASTER Video Editor. You know KineMASTER, right? KineMASTER is the most professional video editor which is used by a lot of YouTubers. KineMASTER is the most important application for YouTubers, creators and maybe teachers, right, in this lockdown period. This is just the introduction of the tutorial series. Nearly we have 20 episodes in this tutorial series. You will become a pro in KineMASTER. Remember guys, I am giving you a small gift after all the episodes that will surprise you definitely. So wait for the tutorial series. Stay tuned. Bye.